Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Landbay. Landbay, a review for property professionals. Landbay isn't your typical personal loan provider. Instead of offering unsecured personal loans, it's a peer-to-peer lending platform specializing in buy-to-let mortgages. Landbay connects property investors with borrowers seeking financing for rental properties, providing a secured, property-backed lending opportunity. If you're looking for a traditional unsecured personal loan, Landbay isn't the right fit. However, for landlords and property investors, Landbay offers a streamlined and competitive alternative to traditional bank loans. The platform offers fixed-rate mortgage loans with transparent terms and a straightforward application process. Borrowers can often secure competitive interest rates and experience a faster approval process compared to high-street lenders. Landbay's lending criteria emphasize affordability, rental yield potential, and borrower creditworthiness. This focus makes it an ideal platform for property professionals who require reliable funding without the complexities and bureaucratic hurdles often associated with conventional banking. Applying for a loan through Landbay involves an online application, submission of property details, and a thorough assessment by Landbay to determine eligibility. Loan amounts and terms are determined by factors like the rental property's value and potential income generation. A significant advantage of Landbay loans is that they are secured against the property, potentially leading to more favorable interest rates compared to unsecured personal loans. It's important to remember, however, that this also means there's a risk of property loss if repayments aren't met. While Landbay previously operated as a peer-to-peer lending platform for investors, it now operates exclusively through institutional funding. This change provides greater capital security and reliability for borrowers. In summary, Landbay is an excellent choice for landlords and property investors seeking structured financing for rental properties. However, it's not designed for those seeking standard, unsecured personal loans. If an unsecured personal loan is what you need, you'll need to explore other platforms. If Landbay aligns with your property financing needs, be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.